Hey everyone, Jeff here, and I'm a kayak angler, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install this rail mount by Railblaza. Railblaza makes sure you have easy to follow instructions to make installation a breeze. So opening this up, they make sure you have all the different accessories in here. Make sure you have exactly what you need to make this work for your kayak. Installation on this takes nothing but a couple minutes. Take the bottom piece, the supplied rubber insert. I found it easy to just throw the other one right on top. Make sure you put the top part of the rail mount right on there. Go. All you got to do is just take a Phillips head screwdriver and make sure you evenly tighten on either side to get the proper pressure. And just like that, we went ahead and installed the rail mount. Very simple. Now we can go ahead and add our accessories like this rod holder right here. Railblaza has lots of mounting options and tons of accessories to go along with it, man. So if you guys want to check out products like this and more, go on over to PartsVu.com and check it out.